Last week, I was invited to do a commercial on the beach for a whole week. I gave them one small condition. I would only style my hair with my products. Here's the routine that worked for me. I applied the leave-in that I always apply. A little bit of Cativa here. Now the other side. Cantu Avocado Curl Activator. I applied a little more than I usually do. I wanted the curls more wild and fluffy. Praying hands with Cantu brush, head down, like this. And the same, but inside. Shake and scrunch. A lot of scrunch on the other side. I arranged my hair and only fixed the top layer with the brush. And now comes the part of the fixation. The first day the call was at 3:30 a.m. and I realized that I didn't have any gel. No gel, only mousse. I had never tried this technique before and I loved it. Then I ordered my gel and the other day I tried it, so I'm going to give you two options. On one side, I'm going to apply the mousse, which on the beach was more voluminous, more fluffy. And on the other side, I'm going to apply the gel, which gives much more control because there's something for everyone. I was careful not to apply too much, more or less like this. I'm going to rinse my hands and another scrunch with the head down. Plopping for 30 minutes on the cotton side. Done. With the cotton side, I remove excess moisture. Another little bit of mousse. The fixer is super important on the beach, the key to success. Another little bit of gel here. I had to be ready before sunrise. Medium temperature, low power. First caressing, then lifting the roots and picking up the curls softly. On the beach, I don't break the cast because the humidity takes care of it very fast. But since we're not at the beach, I'm going to scrunch out the crunch and I'll show you. And so it's looser on the mousse side, more controlled on the gel side. This is how it looks from the side. Let's have a look from the back. Gel side and mousse side. And there we have two options. I hope you enjoy your beautiful hair on the beach.